What's up, my babies? Welcome back to my channel. And as by the title, you already see what's going on. Like, there's no need to do all that rambling, no need to do all that talking. But before we get into this video, I want y'all to like, comment, and subscribe to your girl, so we could just get this rolling and get this started. But before we get into the video, I'm gonna just give y'all a little glimpse of what's really going on. So I am making a DIY walk-in closet slash, room. I don't really know what to really put that in, like what category to really put that in, because it's not a closet, but it's a spare room that I have. But I wanted to make it like a luxury walk-in closet, but it's really gonna be a luxury walk-in closet slash room. I don't know, but anyway, so I got these shelves, these bookshelves from Target, and it was $40. So I got them for $131. Of course, it would have been $120 if taxes wasn't involved, but taxes was definitely involved, so it came up to $131 and some change. So yeah, I'm just making that right now currently, just to get this started, so I could put my shoes up there, my purses up there. I have so many shoes, so many purses, so much stuff that needs to be on these shelves or hung up or something. But this is just me in the process of basically building this. Like I said, I didn't want to do too much rambling or talking, but look, I feel like I kind of need to tell y'all a little bit what's going on. So yeah, y'all definitely got to stay tuned for this whole process, because it's definitely going to be something new. It's definitely going to be something that I'm excited for. So yeah. So this really just y'all basically watching me, build this and play and just enjoy, because I was listening to music and everything. So yeah, I was trying to, get through this. But anyways, yeah, I'm gonna just let the music roll and let y'all just listen to that and watch this. So, and don't forget to subscribe to your girl. So y'all, your girl finally built all 3 bookshelves, and I was so excited because I'm like, this is only the first step in this whole process. I get to show y'all how I put my shoes up there, how I put my purses up there. So y'all stay tuned for the next video, and thank y'all for watching this video.